guys, April Starks here with April Starks Beauty. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about a brand new product that was just released by Too Faced, and it is the Holiday Collection Pumpkin Spice Palette. It has the traditional metal tin, which they are known for. It also has the raised textured packaging. So, and that's something else that they are really known for when it comes to their holiday collection palettes. They really are gorgeous. I typically don't pick them up though, just for the simple fact that a lot of the holiday collection formulas are just, I don't know, they just don't feel like they're the quality is there. But I thought I would go ahead and give this palette a shot. It was $49. I picked this up myself at Ulta. I did not get the matte lip product that goes along with this collection, just because I am not a big fan. It's the melted line, and I'm just not a fan of it. So what I am wearing is Autumn Story by Farmasi, and I felt like this color just puts off all kinds of fall vibes. So, okay, let's get right into this palette. So there is 18 shades in total, and they're a mixture of mattes and shimmers. It does have a mirror on the inside, but look at these shades, y'all. There are 4 foiled shades in here. There are 12 true mattes and then 2 shimmers. So there are 3 finishes in this palette, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, on this side of the palette, there are 9, I feel like, more true fall vibe colors. So I actually chose a few of the colors here, and I used one of the foil colors to achieve this look. So if you want to see how I did it, continue watching.